to your 5-minute lower body workout. If you would like to have a full 10-minute total body workout, go check me out at deniseaustin.com. Let's tone and tighten up the lower body. And if you have some weights, go ahead and grab them. You will need them. The first exercise is with just one weight. Now, we're gonna take a squat down and come back up. A squat and come up. That's it. Sit way back there. Notice my hips are going way back and lift back up. And as you come up, squeeze your bottom. Tighten up that tushy. Firm and lift your bottom half. And make it your better half. That's it. Lift. We got 2 more. Last one. Great. And switch arms. Down and lift up. That's great. Thinking about good posture, sit back. Notice my weight is in the back of my heels. That's it. Great. This is a full body workout. You're working your arms, but also target toning the lower half. Great. Sculpt your legs, your hips, your thighs. That's it. Last one. All right. Now let's take it forward. Lunge it forward and push away. Lunge it forward, push away. We're now target toning the quadriceps, the front of your thighs. That's it, just push away. Feel as though your back is nice and straight and your tummy's in. Think good posture and then push away. That's it, great for your thighs. Excellent, reshape those thighs. Last one. Okay, now let's lunge to the side. Thinking about good posture too. Think about sitting back, way back there. There you go. Sit way back there. Shift your hips so you're further behind. That's it. Good. Working the inner and outer thighs right now. Excellent way to really shape and sculpt your legs. That's it. Last one on this side. Great. Let's switch legs. Take it down and pull up. Down and really feel it through the tummy too. You got this. This is now firming on the inside of your legs. Great. Also, it really shapes that back half. Sit way back there. Sit down. Push away. Excellent. 2 more. You got it. Last one. Okay, let's grab both weights and let's begin. Little baby squats. We're going to take it down and squeeze the tushy. Stay on this one leg. That's it. Thinking about good posture, push away. Good. This is now target toning the back of your thighs. No more jigglies. That's it. Tone and tighten up those legs. Good. No more of those saddlebags. We'll firm it up. Last one. Good. And let's turn to the other side and squat and squeeze. That's it. Squat. This is great lower body sculpt. Good. If you're just starting out, you don't need weights. That's okay. The weights just really challenge those muscles. Muscles work miracles on your metabolism. Squat and squeeze. That's it. Last one. You got it. Great. Okay. Now it's time to really firm up those inner thighs. We're just going to shift side to side. Side to side. Great. Feel it in the inner thighs. That's excellent. Great way to really target tone your inner thighs. We got 2 more. Last one. Okay, now turn your toes out and we're going to do pliés. So we take it down and pull in. Great. Take it down and pull in. Now we're reshaping and sculpting the entire thigh area. And it also helps lift the bottom, the tushy, your buns. Look great from behind. Good. Take it down and really squeeze through the tummy and squeeze through the inner thighs. Squeeze. Last one, and down we hold it. Stay down there. Come on, really feel it in the inner thighs. Now pick up one heel. Do you feel it extra? Great. And to the other side. Lift that heel up. Get down. Feel it. Stretch it. Good. Last one. Okay, and just take nice deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Good, take it down and relax. A little full body thigh workout here. Good, we got 1 more. Last one, deadlift and come up. Beautiful. Thanks for working out with me. Woo! If you love this workout, I have so much more at DeniseAustin.com. Try my free trial that you get to do all kinds of different workouts and recipes, eating plans. You will love it. All you have to do is visit DeniseAustin.com, sign up for your free trial now.